act like you know me.
I do know you.
You don't know shit.
Yeah, I'm the reason that you, first child, don't make that mistake and say, oh no, you don't like this or you don't like that. Hi, welcome to Mama Deb's Kitchen. I hope everyone's great out there. It's very hot in Las Vegas, and I am actually making a soup today, pozole. So it's going to be like a...
Pozole stands for?
I don't know. It's got hominy in it, so it's like a
Hominy?
Hominy. Hominy blanco.
Let's go.
Pozole. I think it's corn. I think pozole stands for corn. Okay, so I have roasted 3 poblanos. They're already in there because I don't know if anybody else that shares with me the same feelings about those. You have to peel that shiny skin off and it's a pain in the ass, so I did that ahead of time. So in here I have about a ½ cup of chicken broth, 2 heaping tablespoons of minced garlic, the 3 poblano chilies, a cup of cilantro, a teaspoon of ground cumin, salt, pepper, not very much because that you can kind of season as you go along. You don't want it to be too salty. And then I have salt, pepper, ground cumin. I don't put the oregano in because my kids don't like that flavor. So what I roasted was the 3 poblanos. This is what the roasting looks like. I have 2 jalapeños roasted. I have 3 tomatillos. It asks for up to 8 tomatillos. I don't put that many tomatillos in mine because I make a green salsa that goes with this, and I add a cup of that in there. I don't know if that's maybe my white girl version. I don't know, but that's how I like to do it. So all this is going to go into a blender, and I'm going to add it to. What I did was I seared a 3-pound pork shoulder, still the bones in them. I kind of seared them. They're in the remaining 5½ cups of chicken broth. And then I threw a bay leaf or 2 in there because I was at the end of my little container of bay leaves, so I just used what I have.
Where does the glass of wine come into play?
The glass of wine comes into play because it's past 5 o'clock, so I'm having wine. And it's the weekend. So cheers. Okay, I'm gonna blend this up. So you want to fast forward through that? So this is all blended up together. And I'm going to add this into here. I know that you're looking at this green stuff thinking, oh my God, what is my mom making? And then here I have...
Like you know.
I do know you.
You don't know shit.
Yeah, I'm the reason that you, first child, don't make that mistake and say, oh no, you don't like this or you don't like that. 33 years later, you're paying for it.
Yeah, so it's your fault.
It is my fault. And I take full, Eric and Dana eat everything. Okay, and this is 2 15-ounce cans of hominy. A lot of people like more in there, and I do like more, so I'll probably add another can. And that's it. Now I'm just gonna cook this. Oh, no. The juice of a lime. What'd you say?
Of course you forgot. You're on your 3rd glass of wine.
I am not, it's my first class. The juice of a lime.
Yeah, but put 3 glasses in 1 glass.
No, I add ice to it because it's so hot outside. I always put ice in my wine though because I always drink white wine. Unfortunately, we're not going to be able to do a taste test because this is going to cook all day. Or all night, I should say. We'll show a bowl after, right? Maybe we can do a bowl after. So that's it. That's my pozole recipe. And I will post it. And I will tell you this when I chop it. So after it's cooked, I chop up radishes, cilantro, I chop up onions really fine, and then diced avocado, and then some lime. Just squeeze lime into it and then eat it with tortillas. It's so good. And I know it's 115 degrees here, but you eat a hot dinner, you can eat a hot soup. So don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe. And if anyone has a secret for the easiest way after roasting the poblanos to get that shiny skin off, please comment and let me know because it's a pain in the ass. Thank you very much. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Next week I'm making German chocolate cookies. I'm not doing keto this week. Can you tell? And next week. Thank you for joining me on Mama Deb's Kitchen. He's rolling his eyes because my finishing is always longer than my cooking. Okay, I'm ready.